In this video, we will be showing you how to install the Impedo Duo power quality meter in a power substation. These are the tools, equipment, and accessories that you will require in order to perform a successful installation. Please ensure you have taken the following important safety measures and that you perform a site inspection before you start with the installation. Switch off process. We will now demonstrate mounting the Impedo Duo to an existing panel door. There are two mounting plates. The back plate is the plate with the bigger cavity of the two and with 4 drilled holes. The front plate is the one with the smaller, curved cavity of the 2 plates and with 8 drilled holes. We are going to start by placing the back plate on the panel door where the instrument is going to be mounted. Trace lines along the inside of the cavity and the mounting holes by positioning the back plate on the panel door where the Impedo Duo is to be mounted. Using a grinder or jigsaw, cut the marked cavity into the panel door and drill the mounting holes using the 6mm size drill bit. Mount the back plate on the panel door by screwing in the mounting screws. Once the back plate is in place, mount the front plate over the back plate and use the mounting screws to fix the mounting plates on the panel door. You will now position the Impedo Duo on the mounting plates using the attachment points on the unit. Ensure you slide the GPS connection side in first as you mount the unit. Tighten the Impedo Duo onto the mounting brackets using the supplied holding screws. Ensure the fit is tight and secure. We will now demonstrate mounting the Impedo Duo using a standard 19-inch mounting plate in a 19-inch rack. You will need a standard 4U 19-inch mounting plate with the Impedo Duo cut out and the mounting screws for this installation. This mounting plate is available from CTLab. We are going to start by fitting the 19-inch installation plate into the 19-inch rack where the instrument is going to be mounted. Fix the 19-inch plate in the rack using the supplied mounting screws. You will now position the Impedo Duo on the mounting plates using the attachment points on the unit. Ensure you slide the GPS connection side in first as you mount the unit. Find a suitable space on the outside of the building where the GPS antenna will see blue sky, not under a roof. Mount the GPS mounting bracket against the wall using the 10mm masonite drill bit to drill the 4 holes and fixing the mounting bracket using the supplied screws and plugs. You may need to drill a hole on the back of the mounting bracket to allow the GPS antenna cable to pass through the wall. Connect to the GPS antenna extension and then to the Impedo Duo. Locate the golden GPS antenna connector on the left-hand side of the Impedo Duo and attach the GPS cable securely. Instrument wiring. This is the most dangerous step. Failure to observe safety might lead to injury, fire, or death. Make sure you are not metering circuit, not protection circuit. First step will be to locate the VT circuit and then the CT circuit. Connect the power supply. The power supply earth is connected to the body of the instrument and should be connected first to minimize electric shock. Connect the live and neutral terminals to the supply point 90 to 300 volts AC/DC. The Impedo Duo can be powered from the VT 110 volt, auxiliary 230 volt, or the 110 volt DC bus. Step 2. Connect the voltages. Wire V1 terminal to the red phase of the VT circuit. Wire V2 terminal to the white phase of the VT circuit. Wire V3 terminal to the blue phase of the VT circuit. Wire V4 terminal to the neutral phase of the VT circuit. If you are measuring delta and you don't have a neutral point, connect V4 to V2. Step 3. Connect the currents. Wire I1 plus and I1 minus terminals to the red phase of the CT circuit. Wire I2 plus and I2 minus terminals to the white phase of the CT circuit. Wire I3 plus and I3 minus terminals to the blue phase of the CT circuit. Repeat the same procedure for meter B if necessary. Step 4. Now you can energize the panel to activate the instrument. To turn the Duo on, hold your finger on the Start button on the smaller screen and slide it down in the direction of flashing arrows. Wait about 60 seconds for the instrument to start up. Step 5. Configure the instrument and check phasing on the touch screen of the instrument. 1. Tap on Unlock. 2. Click on the meter config icon. 3. A window will open. Select meter A to create a meter point. 4. Click Create. 5. Type in a name and provide a description. 6. Select relevant voltage level on the drop-down list. 7. Click on Next. 8. Choose relevant topology on the drop-down list, star or delta. Choose desired supply frequency. 10. Type in the declared voltage. 11. Type in the VT ratio for channel 1 to 3. 12. If channel 4 is not in use, select the checkbox to link VT ratio to channel 1 to 3. 13. Click Next. 14. Select the Enable checkbox to activate CT inputs. 15. Select the sensor type on the drop-down menu. Take note, when doing a permanent installation, The sensor type will always be current sensor. 16. Type in the CT ratio for channel 1 to 3. 17. If channel 4 is not in use, select the checkbox to link CT ratio to channel 1 to 3. 18. Select derive current if applicable. In this case, it will be none. 19. Click Next. Pop-up will show if configuration was successful. 20. Click on Next. 21. Check if phasing is correct. 22. Click Finish. You will be taken back to the configuration screen. Step 6. Configure trended parameters. Click on Meter A. Select Trends and activate desired options for trended data and harmonics. Click Commit to save options. Pop-up will show if configuration was successful. Step 7. Configure monitors. Click on Meter A. Select Monitors and activate NRS 048 settings. Select Apply. Click Commit to save options. Click on Return icon. Step 8. Now we check for correct installation to confirm that you are measuring correctly. Click on Real-Time View icon. All measurements will be displayed live. Should a measurement error occur, repeat Step 6. When everything is looking fine, click on the Return button. Step 9. To set up Meter B, repeat all previous steps. You are now set up. For modem connections, please contact CTLab for assistance. Thank you for watching this training video. For further information on CTLab's world-class range of power quality management products, visit www.ctlab.com or call 021 880 9915.